I don't know what's going on with Alaye Kudu, but his mouth looks like something straight out of a Harry Potter scene. I mean, what would make Alaye Kudu cry? Why? Like, his rank dropped? I'm Antonio Kilikan. Salute to our warriors across the globe. Welcome to the Arena of Fire. Alaye Kudu needs no introduction. The fighter on the black polka dot trousers going up against Shagun Mansa of the house of Jamus on the dreadlocks. I am definitely curious about this match. What would make one of our prize warriors who we have watched steadily grow through the ranks, weep in his own arena, in his own house. It's a full house today, spectators packed up the arena. Whoa, let's go. Touching the sand, approaches his opponent, drives on uppercuts, right hook, fire, 5, 6, 7. The spectators love when you guys are doing this, quite frankly, fighters just trusting their punches. Make no mistake, you might think it's just dummy punches, but those punches, if it touches you, you're gonna. Alaye Kudu, with his superpower, knows how to withstand punches for as long as it takes. Charging bull ram again, 3, 4, 5. He likes when an opponent engages him on this level. Mansa, letting him know it's no pushover. It doubles it like as if he's going out. Switches his style quickly. Mansa is matching him punch for punch. Ego for ego, cloud for clouds. One of the referees steps in, tells them to take a quick water break. Water is spritz on Mansa there by his king, one of his senior warriors back on that Nigeria. That's to cool off that testosterone blood rush. The clear head makes a better warrior. See him, his defensive hand up. Whoa! Kudu struck him from the back of the head, tries a right jab, follows through. Alaye Kudu has better reach, obviously. As he grapples onto his opponent, drives an uppercut, but he missed, pounds on his head again, pounds on his head the third time, follows through with an uppercut to deceive him, and tries a headbutt. Yes, headbutts are actually allowed in Dambe in amateur tournaments like this. Follows through again. Referee has the discretion to actually stop if he intends to, but seems to be kind of a vibe he wants in the arena to enjoy. Whoa! The spectators are losing it. Shagun Mansa has secured the win over Alaye Kudu, bragging rights for life because Alaye Kudu has hardly ever lost a match in this arena. On a scale of like 10 to 10 over 10, he has lost maybe once. This would be a talk for ages. You see, when a fighter's cockiness can get the best of him, he knew he had a prey in his luck and he knew he could actually eat this prey like a gazelle would devour, like lion would devour a gazelle. Unfortunately for him, the lion got distracted. See him taking punches to the head just to show off his cockiness, but he didn't know that that punch actually got the best of him, if you ask me. Probably disoriented him a bit. As you see him trying to strike a punch, he got disoriented as his smart opponent dodged quickly, predicting his style, knowing that he was going to do that. He dodged, and look at one of the Jamus warrior putting his hands up in his head. Like they are lost. Everyone is excited about this because he switches up the whole style of fight. See him now. This is where the crying resumed. Unfortunately for him, salute to the fans. For he has to actually, live with this pain and regret for the rest of his life. I think it did definitely hurt him. Quite weird to see Alaye Kudu cry. Interesting. It is what Dambe is all about. You are not a champion for. We're not even talking about forever. We're talking about for per minute. You would have a worthy opponent walk up to you seeking your hand in combat. Alaye Kudu would definitely not let this slide, knowing the fighter that he is. He is going to demand a rematch. We're going to have to do this again some other time. His fans are telling him, take it easy, this shit happens. Some give him cash gifts. Say, yeah, he tries to carry the crowd along with his eccentric performance. It's come a long way. They hug it out. I mean, that's the spirit of Dambe. May the feast of Dambe Warriors be with you. Thank you.